Cherthala native and fake antique dealer Monson Mavungal was arrested by the crime branch on Monday. He was popularly known as Dr. Monson Mavungal. But how he got the prefix when he had neither cleared degree exams nor travel outside India remains unclear. He was also good at convincing, acting and speaking. Monson led a luxurious life in Kochi. He rented a house for Rs 50,000 monthly rent. But the house owner has now come forward and revealed that the accused had failed to pay the rent for the last 8 months. Multiple boards are placed in front of his house claiming his multifaceted roles as World Peace Council member, Human Rights Protection Council committee member, Pravasi Malayali Foundation trustee, etc. He owns over 30 modern luxury cars including a Porsche. He had also turned his abode in Kallur as an antique museum where he stored his valuable collections. The main attraction of the place was the huge collection of mural paintings placed across the house. He is currently referred to as a con man and king liar because he tricked the public by always keeping himself surrounded by 5 to 8 people as armed security guards. They carried fake toy guns but posed as if they were authentic. He used to attend events in luxury cars and used to make huge donations as well. It is not clear if he had done it with an hidden agenda for a big scam or if he was showing off his wealth. He had even sponsored the annual festival of a church by donating crores on it. He used to click pictures with high-profile personalities with ulterior motives. It is revealed that he had cheated people by showing those pictures. The crime branch officials who are conducting a detailed investigation in the matter said that the accused had direct contact with high officials in police, politicians and film stars as well. Even the richest people in an area are in his friends list. He claimed that he had a doctorate degree in holistic medicine, but details that prove his claims are not found. Even top police officials have landed in trouble with his arrest. Many photos of him with higher officials in the police have surfaced on the internet. Former DGP Loknath Behra and ADGP Manoj Abraham also feature in some pictures. It is said that Monson could have misused the photographs to assert his claims. The most notable evidence shows how influential he was when the evidence of IG Lakshmana's direct involvement in the case was recovered. It is revealed that he had tried to protect Monson. Email evidence of the matter was recovered by the prop team. From the evidence, it is revealed that Lakshmana had asked to transfer the inquiry on complaint against Monson from the crime branch to Cherthala SHO. The case in which Lakshmana intervened was registered by a Pandalam native in connection with a scam of Rs 6.5 crores. He sabotaged the probe by assigning officials of his team. VIPs in Kerala police had also attended his daughter's engagement ceremony as well. The function was held a few hours before the arrest. Crime branch officials have said that they will be investigating the illegal interventions in the complaint. Monson is currently remanded in judicial custody in Kochi and will remain in custody till October 6th. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.